sell by. This is only £34. We also do have the famous McClory Band, both ladies and gents fragrances, and you can get them both for just £70 each today. And on today's buy we do have the Transformers Miracle Cream. This is highly recommended, just known as the safest in a jar. This is only £35 and a massive £45 on the high street price. Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to tell you, as we are flying outside the EU today, we have got our litre bottles of spirit and tobacco. You can get two for £24 on the Gordon Exchange, Captain Morgan, Bacardi, Bells, Smirnoff Blue and the Smirnoff Apple. Or you can get two for £2 on the pink Gordon Exchange, Jack Daniels, Tanqueray and the Tanqueray Sevilla. If you have any further questions on the duty-free items, please don't hesitate to ask the crew as we do pass through your cabin. And do remember, ladies and gentlemen, do take that extra 20% off the brochure price. We do recommend that you do buy on this outbound journey as we do not restock our bars in Tenerife.
Toasted have now completely sold out, but you can still take your pick from a great range of snacks and drinks. Whatever you choose will serve you at your seat, so be our guest and enjoy.
Light easterly breeze.